When you look at those three things, I think that the one that's it's been explored to an extent is like training on more data. And we're already kind of at the point where the big AI companies have scraped the entire internet, essentially. All of the Wikipedia articles, all of the Twitter posts, all of the Reddit posts, and they're using this to train their AI. But they've essentially run out of data to train on now. And that creates like this really lucrative market for data brokers to be able to go after more personal data. And I think that is going to start impacting chat applications soon as well. And I think it's going to be hard for some of those centralized companies to say no. If they come up against an AI company that's like, okay, we'll pay you, billions and billions of dollars for your users' messages that they send through the service to train out AI on. And that is really scary because I think that data is going to be very useful, because if you think about the way that AI applications are trained and the way that we use those AI applications, it's mostly chatbots, right? Like we're mostly talking to chatbots. And
Right.
chatbots are trying to emulate the experience of like talking to another human. So what better data to train on than the actual conversations of humans? And WhatsApp, for example, is a massive source if they were able to tap into that data. I think that's going to become more common, companies making agreements with AI companies to sell the user data to train on. And I think that's when session fits in really nicely, because people are not going to want to be having their personal data sold to these AI companies to train on, because it's extremely sensitive data.